Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be vlogging today. Okay guys, so there's just a few more left, then I'll do the ones on the table and then we can start printing out the things that we are going to be shipping tomorrow. So it's a Monday today. I've had other admin tasks I've had to do today, so I haven't I've done a few things already. It's currently evening time. I did a few things earlier today, so what I'm going to start doing now is I'll print out some of the things we're going to be shipping tomorrow, because obviously it can't go again today. The day is far spent. Okay, so printing is currently happening now. Okay, I will put this jacket away because I need space on here. Some of these things are items I requested for. That only just arrived. So I've got this dress. I'm just going to show you. This is a mini haul. I've got this one. I don't really like how this came out, so I'm going to take this out and then leave the bottom and do something else with the top bit. And there is this one. It's kind of okay, but the arms are a bit big, so I'm going to adjust it so it's a bit fitted. So yeah, that's that one. And this one's are my faves. So there's this one. It's a crop top and a trouser. It looks quite big. But I quite like how it turned out. So there's that one. And then there is the see-through dress with all the color. So I'll just call this my coat of many colors. I quite like all the combos on it with the blues and the reds and the pink. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so that's that one. So when my shipping arrived, the bag was torn, like there was a massive patch. I think from when it's probably just from dragging it on the floor, and a few of the pieces I found has some issues which I would need to sort out, so I'm just going to leave them here so I can focus on them. All the printing has been done now, so I'll start bringing out the items. If I successfully bring out all the items now, I would, let me see, do I take them inside and start packing it, or do I just leave it tomorrow? Let me just bring it out first and then I can worry about packing. Packing is not the problem. It's bringing them that we'll start with. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera to face there in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm going to start bringing out all the items I need to bring out now, and then I would figure out if I want to pack them today or leave them tomorrow. So it's currently about 5:30 now. So the advantage or the good thing with running your business is you're able to do things at the time you want to. Like, you're not forced about it has to be in the morning from 9 till 5 or 8 till 4 or something. So this morning I was in quite a lot of admin tasks and preparing for a campaign that we're going to be doing in 3 months time. I know it sounds like a long time, but the planning needs to start getting done now. If not, we're going to be well behind time. So that's what I was doing. Took a lot of time, and then we're also working on our brand logo, which I'm quite excited about that one. We're almost at the final phase. I just need them to sort the colors out and then like finally pick the ones I want. So hopefully before the end of this week that would be sorted. But yeah, so I'm not just going off topic or on and on. Let's bring out these items together. Okay, so I've managed to bring everything out. I've only got 10 minutes to be here. I managed to bring everything out. I will start putting the paper and the thank you card against all of them. And the ones that needs adjusting, I will put them on this chair. So as soon as I come in here tomorrow, first thing I'm going to do is to get all the adjustment done. So yeah, let's do this. So it's another beautiful day here today at the M.A.Dkollection warehouse, and again trying to get stuff done. So last night, the last video I did, obviously you can see I'm wearing something different today. It was I think I brought out some orders, but I didn't manage to get anything packed because I needed to go into sort bedtime things out for the kids. So we had a few more orders come in from last night till now. I've just brought out some of them. There is a few that needs fixing. So I'm just looking at the time now, it's 9:40. So I'm thinking I'll probably spend the next 1 hour trying to do all the outfits that needs amendments. Right, so I'm just going to rush through it. We're not having conversations today because your girl is really tired. So I had very little sleep last night. My son wasn't feeling really well. I won't say he wasn't feeling well, it was just running temperature. So I'm thinking he's teething. That's all I can think about. Because when kids start to run temperature like that, it's probably another set of teeth trying to come out. So we're currently at that stage. When I finish loosening them, I will do all the shipping labels. UPS, DHL, everything. I said DHL. I used to use DHL before, that's probably why. I've still got DHL on my lips. Okay guys, so I have managed to do quite a lot of things already. I would need to put paper in the paper machine. I have managed to do all the printing. Everything I've printed here today would be going. If I haven't printed it, then it's going to go next time. So that's all sorted. So I'm going to quickly like put the shipping labels and the paper and everything like it needs to be. I'll move this laptop away because I'm done with her for now. Move this one away. I'll bring the camera to the side just so I can start working on this, guys, because I'm planning to see if I can finish here in the next hour. So it's currently 13:05, so finish here by 2 o'clock so I can sort lunch out and a few other things before it's time for school run, before I need to go pick the kids up. So I would just quickly get to it. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking today, so yeah, let's just... So these are the ones I have not put names on. So with this one, I forgot to put the hanging tag on, so I've just had to reopen it, take everything out, and then put the hanging tag back on and put a hanging tag. I'm not sure how I missed putting a hanging tag on it, but anyways, that is sorted now. I need to do the same for this one, so I've done 2 without the hanging tag. I must be hungry to make such an error. I must actually be hungry. I've not had anything to eat today and it's almost 1:30. So I probably might go get something to eat very quickly, just so I'm thinking straight. been a long day. I've got two that I need to sort out. I've just noticed that there was an issue with that one. So this is the last one I am parking for today. It is 15 past 2. So I beat my time. No, I went over time by 15 minutes. Only because there's a few orders that would need sorting out, but that will be later. So I'm just gonna wrap it up here for today because I need to go sort things out before my kids come back. So yeah, let me rearrange the camera so you can see my face properly. Okay guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm so hungry. Like, you know that hunger that makes your head shake. That's my current position. Anyways, I'm so hungry. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today and also yesterday as well. If you enjoy the content of this video, you know what to do. As normal, thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.